Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how I made these two straps so I can hook my motorcycle helmet on it. For now, we're just gonna inspect the seat from the outside. So look for places where the seat strap can go through. Like you see here, there's no place for the seat strap to go through. But the hook here, most motorcycles have a hook. I think the seat strap is gonna go through no problem. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to bend the hook or cut it off. We're gonna see about that in the end, but just inspect it from the outside. Like it's gonna go from here all the way like this and go here where the little place is for. So let's remove the seat. So let's remove these two bolts right now. Flip it around and they're gonna fall off. Remove your seat strap. And now let's measure it out and let's see how much seat strap we need for this project. So take your tape measure or anything that you can measure it with, and the seat strap is gonna start from here. So hook it up there or hold it, and it's gonna go from there all the way back here. So let's turn that around. So that is 20 inches or 50 centimeters. So we're gonna go a little bit longer and we're gonna make it 21 inches or maybe even 22 inches. Let's go, we're gonna make it 22 inches. Now take your webbing strap and scissors. Measure 22 inches and cut it off. Now take one more, put it on the same length and cut it flush. And then I'm gonna take my fabric. What we're gonna do now is take a pen, take a marker or something. I'm gonna use this one and it's here. Mark it, and the fabric has to be 2.5 times the width of the strap. So that's 1. And we're gonna go 2. And roughly a half. Then you want something with a straight edge to mark where you want to cut. Perfect. Now cut it out. So we have 1. Just put this on top of your fabric again. Make sure it's flush, then mark it down. Mark it in the middle too, so it's easier for you to make a straight line. And now just cut it out again. Now take your strap, put it on here. Take your super glue, apply super glue generously. And just turn it around on the fabric. Press it down. And now put super glue here and here. Just press it down, apply super glue on top. Make sure it's tight. And there it is. Let it dry for a minute and do the next one. It's too short. It's too short. And I cut it a little bit too short, but I took a piece of webbing strap and sewed it on here. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Put it over your strap by an inch or two. Press your foot down. You're not gonna have to do this if you do the right length on the first time, but I'm a noob. And then just sew it on. And then go backwards. Okay. Same thing, but on this side now. Now backwards. And there you have it. You can put it one more time, but it isn't necessary. I mean, it's strong enough. And we're gonna put a hole somewhere here. So now I'm gonna take my strap and put it inside here. And it's gonna go like this, around. So I'm gonna need a hole right here. So there's that. You can put the washer back and screw the bolt on. Cut the excess. Same thing for this one. Let's go try it out. This will hold for days to come. And here's how it's hooked up. So this strap goes underneath these two, and you just hook it up here. Like this. And this is what it looks like without the helmet on. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. And subscribe.